Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. It's been so long since I've actually posted a video, done a video. I post more in my Instagram than I do YouTube, so if you're interested in my life, not really, but if you're interested in what I post, whatnot, I post on my Instagram a lot, so I'll link it down below. I'll also put it right over here so you can see it, so make sure to go follow that link. That way, if I will post, you'll know about it and whatever. We have these really cool things that I came across on In Drugs. This is the Revolution. This is the Makeup Revolution Matte Lip Kit. So I got two. Only got two of the shades because the lightest one was way too light for me, so I'm like, I'm not going to buy that. And then the two after these are metallic lip kits, and I don't really do metallics. I'm not against it, I'm just not gonna use it. So I decided to stick with the things that I know, that I love. Nudes, I haven't tried these at all. This has been sitting on my vanity for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, and I haven't cracked open any of the boxes because I really wanted to sit down and do a video, but I haven't had time. So anyways, hopefully this lighting is not too obnoxious. I feel like I'm being blinded out of my mind right now.
No joke, I see blue right now. Oh my god, it's so bright.
So hopefully these are transfer proof. And yeah, you get the lip liner and you get the liquid lipstick. Not much else I can really say about it. These retail for I think $11, which is not bad. I mean, they're like $5 a piece pretty much, so that's really not bad. So I got two of the shades. I got Bow Down, and then I can't say this, I'm sorry. Echleon? I don't know. I'll list all the names of the ones that I'm trying out down below. Let me know how you say it because I have no idea. Okay? No. Why can't I open these? One second. You guys caught me. I am wearing pajamas and a nice shirt. Isn't that the life of a YouTuber? They wear comfy clothes, but you can't see it, and they wear the really nice tops on top. I was like, I'm gonna look nice today because I haven't posted a video in so long. The truth comes out, people. The truth comes out. I can't open this. And this is what it looks like. I think these are supposed to be dupes for the Kylie liquid lipstick. I'm not saying that this looks like this particular packaging looks like it. However, the pencil sort of does a little bit. So we'll see. Okay, I lowered the light just a little bit just because I want to, hopefully this is not like so bright, and hopefully you can see the lip swatches better. I will definitely zoom in either way. So I don't know why I'm looking at my lips. So this is Bow Down. See? Am I supposed to twist this or whatever? It's not even there, the tip. It's down here. Is it broken? It is broken! It's inside of here. Aww. Okay, okay, sharpens pretty well. It kind of does sharpen like the Kylie liquid lipsticks, which is like really weird and not pointy. Yeah, so it does that, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Okay, anyways, let's go at it. Okay, first impression, not bad. I'm sorry, I just spat on the camera. We'll see though. Strangely enough, I actually am very picky when it comes to lip liners. I don't like every single lip liner in the world. And I'm just really picky with it, usually. So, color of the lip liner. I think that's pretty even. It is quite matte. It's not super, like, it's a little stiff, but not overly stiff. I can't explain things. Like, it's pretty creamy. It's not like so stiff you can't work with it. So not bad, not bad. This is what it looks like. Nice wand. Okay, guys, are you seeing this? Is it just me? Why is it bent? I literally just went. I'm gonna have to like rewind that.
Nice one.
Why? It's bothering me so much. Anyways, doesn't smell like anything. And the packaging also feels really lightweight, so it kind of feels cheaply, but it was $11, so let's just see how this goes, okay? That's very thin. Okay, so I gave this around like 4 minutes to dry. Usually liquid lipsticks only take like a minute or so to dry, so this one is just a hint tacky. Like, it feels a little sticky. You can even see, like, it kind of has that stick to it, which is not like overly bothersome, but I feel like it kind of will transfer. It's not transferring like on my finger per se, but I feel like it feels like it's there, you know? So that's that. I, however, like the color. I think it's super beautiful. And I can't complain. So $11, dudes. $11. Open this one. There we go. Okay, it's not me, honestly. I'm being honest. It's not like it's like so hard to take off, but like the fact that this maneuvers so easily, it's just like so upsetting. Okay, so this one looks a little more purpley. It feels like it's very creamy because it kind of leaves behind some of the pigment, like some of the actual lip liner kind of breaks off and leaves it like on your lips. You know what I'm saying? Like a piece of it. That's how creamy this is. Okay, this one's normal. Yay! The lip one is normal. It's, well, it looks kind of normal, but it's kind of bent. I don't know if they all are just bent or the ones that I picked are bent. It just feels like a little iffy considering I have two and both of them are bent. So let's see. I feel like this could be a dupe for Candy K. And the other one kind of like Dolce K, just a little more with the brick. This one has more of a pinky undertone. So if you like more pinks, go for this one. If you like more brown with a little hint of red, then go for the first one I tried. But it's drying down. I think I like this one more, just for the undertone. Kind of zoomed out again. So my final impressions of these liquid lipsticks is they're not bad. It's the quality of the packaging that's just infuriating, just because it's like, oh, okay, you're opening the liquid lipstick and the wand is bent. It just feels like you're paying for things that are not properly made. But if you just care about the actual product, it's not a bad product. I mean, it's a little sticky. It can definitely be improved. But it's not a bad product. If you want a lip kit that is super affordable, $11 Canadian, won't break your bank, and you can grab two for $22. It's not a bad deal at all. You can definitely try it. Also, from what I saw, they do have metallics, so if you're into metallic lip kits, you can grab those. I know they had like a gold one, they had a plum shade, and they also, I believe, had more of a red berry tone, so you can also do that. If you're also looking for a very light pink, like milky pink color, you can definitely try their other shade of this. I don't know what it was called, but they had a lighter one. It was just way too late for me. But yeah, that was my review. I hope you liked it. I think it was like all over the place, but you know, I haven't been on here in a long time, so I kind of lost my touch of what I should be saying. Anyways, if you haven't yet, please give this a like, subscribe down below if you haven't already, ring that notification bell, because apparently it tells you if I upload or not. So just in case, because I don't upload as often as I would personally like, ring it so you know when I do upload. Okay. Also, follow me on Instagram. And yeah, if you guys have any comments, please leave them down below. I will definitely read them. I haven't been uploading, but I will read the comments, okay? So, have a great day, have a great night, wherever you are.